Hi everyone. So I'm here today with a canvas. As you can see, I've taped a bowl to it because I plan on pouring puddles today. I'm going to use this as my place where I'm going to pour. And my inspiration today is crystals. So I took out these malachites yesterday, and I was thinking of doing something similar to those, but I didn't really have the colors that please me to go with that. So instead I'm going to be doing some blues. So I have here this blue lace agate. Sorry, I'm used to pronouncing the names in French. So this is a little bit of my inspiration, and the colors also I'll be using a bit of like lapis lazuli colors. So this is kind of what got me inspired to do today's piece. So that being said, I have lots of sparkles. I don't know which one I'll be using, but for almost each blue that I have some kind of sparkle. Here we go. And so I think it's going to be a work in progress, probably a couple of different layers. I also tried for the first time to break some marbles, which they came out, I hope you can see that, they came out really pretty. All these different shades of blues and whites and clear. So I'm excited to try those. So I will be using, my white is a mix of leftovers, so I'm not sure what's in there. I'll be using white. My blue will be Brilliant Blue from Artist Loft. I have Deco Art Copenhagen Blue, Deco Art Neon Blue, and some folk art, what is this, Ice Blue. It's really pretty. And I have some leftover golds also that I combined together. So a couple different types of gold, and I have a leftover silver here. So everything has Floetrol, everything has water, and certain things have silicone. This is the one I'll be using. And so that's it. Cross my fingers. Something's gonna come out of this beautiful, probably very sparkly. And that's it. Wanted to give a special shout out to Arts and Crafts 890. Thank you very much for subscribing, as well as thank you to everybody else who's subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate all of your kind words and your great feedback, so a big thank you. So after I stopped filming, actually, I kept working after looking at it for some time, and I decided to make a few changes and add some more glass. And I brought it upstairs in our dining room to let it dry. And funny story, my daughter came up to me and said, I saved your painting from the fly. I hit it with the fly swatter. So kind of change of plans there while it was drying. That's why I kind of ended up having to add a lot more glass. I think it still looks beautiful. I'll probably end up adding more when I'm going to do my resin layer. But yeah, funny sometimes how things are completely unplanned, but you know what? They still end up working for you, and you still end up with something that you love. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. And if you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Bye!